Let's talk about bluegrass rhythm grammar. This is a really important topic because there actually is a really specific spot that you should be putting licks like the G run and the crash and the curl in order to keep your band on track with where they are in the form. Most bluegrass tunes are split up into phrases by 4 bars. So a typical tune like Will the Circle Be Unbroken is a 16-bar tune with 2 large 8-bar phrases and then maybe 4 individual 4-bar phrases. Now, I like to play some crucial licks at some crucial points here. If we think about 16 bars, the halfway point, that 8-bar mark, is really important. We're going to start with a crash on the downbeat of the tune, the only place that I reserve that one for. And then when we get to bar 8, we're going to do what I call the truncated or the short G run. Why do we do it there? Well, it's the halfway point, and that signals to the band and to the audience that we are at some kind of crucial turning point in the form to the tune. If you're feeling fancy, you could do a crash beat on the downbeat after that G run. Sometimes that sounds appropriate, sometimes it doesn't. Like I said, usually I reserve that for beat 1 of bar 1. Then at the very end of that 16-bar form, we are going to give a full G run to let everyone know that the form is complete and we are ready for the next section of the tune, whether that's another verse, a chorus, or a solo. Check this out. 1, 2, 3. Will the circle be unbroken by and by, Lord, by and by? There's a better home awaiting in the sky, Lord, in the sky. That, my friends, is a formula that you can lather, rinse, and repeat forever. Something like this form should be happening for every verse, chorus, and solo that happens in a bluegrass tune. It's our job as rhythm players not just to keep time, but to signal those key points in the form to our bandmates and to the audience. All right, my friend, you know the drill. Grab a tune, and here's what I would do. Count the measures in the form, find the halfway point, and map out your rhythm a little bit. Get that crash beat on beat 1 of bar 1. Put your half G run right in the middle. Maybe do another crash beat on the next bar. And then at the very end of the tune, G run. You can't go wrong with that. All right, my friend, happy practicing. We'll see you in the next one.